very good afternoon, good morning, whatever the case may be, and welcome all your viewers to another episode of Mice TV. And in today's episode, we have a very special guest, Mr. Sudeep Sinha. Sudeep is having over 25 years of experience in trade, specifically in mice business, into domestic, inbound, and exhibition business. And currently, Sudeep is business unit head for ITH and looking after the mice, weddings, and special initiatives. So today's episode is gonna be very special, where we are talking to Sudeep, who is having such experience in trade and really wide experience across verticals. So it would be, a real privilege to have the real experience from the man itself. So welcome, Sudeep, to the show.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir. So, just the first question to you is, how did you get into this trade? What is your, early experience while you entered this industry of mice? Over to you.
Well, I was basically a nuclear physicist working on high energy physics at Center for Excellence, Banaras Hindu University. But at one moment of time, I felt that I was into a wrong subject that I was doing. And I was meant for what I am today. So one day I was browsing through India Today magazine when I came across an advertisement of Institute of Management Studies where they were offering Masters in Tourism Administration. So I just closed my eyes and then I saw myself lying on a Miami beach with my Bermuda and then riding on a water scooter. Then I thought that this would be the right profession for me. And that is how that thing came into my mind. I applied for it. And then I took the exam, which was conducted by All India Management Institute. And then I qualified at Institute of Management Studies. But a physicist getting into a tourism, this was something very, very unlike thing which was not even seen. So as soon as I joined the Institute of Management Studies, I joined along with my studies the on-the-job training also at one of the travel agencies. And that is where I started learning about the travel aspect. So while most of my friends sat at the girls' hostel, I was doing my on-the-job training and trying to grasp as much as I could. So I taught everything that is taught in management with special emphasis on services industries. So while I was reading the Philip Kotler, in the first page, I came to know about a company called Thomas Cook. And that was the day when I thought of getting into this company. So I did my summer training at Thomas Cook, and based on my performance during those 3 months, I was offered a job of Thomas Cook. So while I was passing Institute of Management Studies, I had close to 7 jobs, but then I preferred joining Thomas Cook. And I decided to take mice tourism because I felt this was one aspect of tourism which gave you an exposure of the entire gamut of travel related services. So my journey started with Thomas Cook on 1st of June 1995. And I was in Thomas Cook for almost close to 10 years. And when I joined, I was imbibed in me to work on integrity and good business ethics, because everyone who joins Thomas Cook were asked to sign on Book of Integrity, and which is got synced into my bone marrow and which is still there till date. And that has been my USP with all my clients. During my stint with Thomas Cook, I handled some of the biggest event that has happened in the country. And to name a few, the World Poultry Congress, where this was a 9 days event, and wherein we had taken the entire hotels of Delhi, and where our billing was close to over 6 crores of billing that we had. It was a mega event where there was deployment of more than 95 buses which were moving, and there were more than 20,000 participants who were involved. So post this event, I was nominated for Mini D'Souza Award for exceptional services. I got Thomas Cook Merit Award. Then I did patent attorney, and there was a lot of other events that I was involved into. But in Thomas Cook, I focused on developing myself, and that is how I strengthened my roots in the mice industry. My second stint was with Kioni Destination Management, again with the mice division, where I joined on 2nd of June 2005, and I was there for exactly 3 years. Over there, I again was engaged with some of the very, very prestigious event like Pravasi Bharatiya Divas and South Africa Summit, besides many other mega events that I was associated with. Then in the year 2008, I joined International Travel House, which is an associate travel company of ITC, and again listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. And since 2008, I've been working with this company. The good thing about this company is they give you a lot of authority to work, and you get to know the ethos and the business ethics of ITC company. And over here, just to share with you that over here, I tried exploring in the exhibition industries, and I'm pleased to share with you that I do some of the biggest and the finest exhibition that happens in the country. And for all the German companies, that includes Messe Munchen, Messe Nuremberg, Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, Informa. And the good thing about us is, since we work on a very good business ethics and integrity, and that there has been no service lapse, most of our businesses are repeat businesses. So this is what has been my journey so far. And about my schooling, well, I studied from a very good school called Denobli School, where all the values and discipline was inculcated inside me. And as for my parents, well, my father was a professor, so that is what he inspired me to become a voracious reader. And my mother, at an age of 85, she is such a disciplined person that when I look at her, I'm motivated to be very, very disciplined. And then I have studied at various other institutions, I did my graduation from St. Columbus College, my post-graduation in physics from Banaras Hindu University, and then my tourism management from IMS Indore. So this has been my academy, and I have also just now shared with you about my journey into the mice industry.
Sure. Thank you, Sudeep, for sharing the key details about your journey into mice. So another question which comes to mind is, coming from a science background, then stepping into this travel business, then finally into mice. So what does mice means to you? If we can conclude in a nutshell, what is the mice stands for you?
Well, mice for me is a passion for me. I mean, I enjoy doing it, and right from the day I was very clear that I need to get into this business, because and whatever physics that I have studied, that helps me closing the technologically related event, and that gives me an understanding about the event, and I can very easily, through my knowledge of physics, I can very easily comprehend the subject of the conference or the exhibition that I'm associated as an official travel partner. Just to give you an example, I was pitching for an event way back for Acrex in Bombay, and the subject was HVAC technology, and which is what I read before I was making a presentation. So while I was making a presentation, I spoke about the HV1AC technology and correlated it with my ITC Green Center. And then I saw people becoming very interested about what I was talking. And when I saw them being interested, I started talking about how Travel House has an edge over all my other competitors. And at the end of my presentation, the only question that I was asked was, how come, what has been your background? So when I said that I'm a physicist from Banaras Hindu University, then they were rather amazed, and probably that helped me getting the event. And the other events that I have been associated are renewable energy, because at Banaras Hindu University we also made the photovoltaic cell, and similarly there are other events also technologically related like wind energy and other events that have been associated based on the my physics background and the knowledge that I have, which helps me in comprehending the in-depth about the knowledge. Also, while I was doing my research on high energy physics, which was on quark, gluon, plasma, I got an opportunity to attend conferences at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So I understand both the aspect of a conference. So that helps me understanding what exactly the participants expects from me, and that is how I deliver. And the other very good thing about whichever company that I have worked with, all these companies were process driven. So while you are process driven, you tend to achieve and provide a world class services, and that is why you get a repeat businesses.
Sure. I think that's an added advantage for you, and really doing good in this business. So, after spending 25 years, more than 25 years in this trade, so maybe get what have been your key experiences or key highlights of your professional journey so far? Would be great to hear that as well.
Highlight is, you should be, first of all, whichever job that you are into, you should be very, very passionate about what you are doing. Number two, you should be very, very disciplined. There is no shortcut while you are delivering a services to a client, that to a business traveler. So, the most important thing is you should work on a very good business ethics and integrity. And these had been my USP, and this is what has got me and my team going. I mean, I wish to share with you that today we have the smallest team in the industry, but very, very effective team. And we've been able to deliver up to the client's satisfaction, and which is what has been, and due to which there has been a cascading effect in our business, and that is how we've been growing exponentially year by year. So this has what has been our USP.
Sure. Thanks, Sudeep. And What about 2020? What is your take on 2020? What has been done? And I think this has been a really devastating year for all businesses. So what is your view? What is your take on 2020 so far?
Well, I must also share with you that I am a practitioner of Nichiren Buddhism, where I have been taught to create a value out of every odd. So for me, pandemic has been an opportunity to reinvent myself. And during this pandemic, I have been in regular connect with all my clients. And just to share with you that in February only, I was sitting close to over 20 big businesses which got postponed. But then during this pandemic, I graduated. I mean, we have a new MD who's joined from ITC, who motivated me to get into wedding businesses, and we got into it. And I wish to share with you that we have done and organized successfully a number of weddings, and in fact, organizing another one from 19th till the 21st of December at ITC Mughal, Agra. So, I mean, this is the time when we are focusing on the social function and weddings, and as and when everything opens and becomes normal, we'll definitely be engaging ourselves with all the events that we had closed in the past. And number two, what I've been doing during this, I've been giving lectures at various few lectures on MICE Tourism at Institute of Tourism Management, then at Pusa Institute, Amity, then at Gujarat University, and at other universities. And I have also done, as a part of my giving back, I also have done a course on tobacco cessations, and I try encouraging all the students and the youth while making a presentation through my Save the Youth program. So this is what I've been, and I'm quite optimistic that by April, things are going to move, and our business are going to become normal. And just to share with you that BOMA is happening in the month of April, and I'm quite optimistic that that is going to happen, and the other events are going to follow. And we as a service provider, we have our process in place, and we are focusing on having a robust health and hygiene protocol, so that we are able to deliver as per the expectation of the client and our guest. So this is what we have been doing in 2020.
Sure. Thanks. Good to know that. I think diversification is the key for all businesses right now, and like giving it back to the society way of educating the youth, or the youth who are planning a career in our industry. That is also very important, that you are doing a good job while attending these giving these guest lectures in various institutes. So congratulations from our side. So lastly, what is the key message for our MICE colleagues in this industry from Sudeep Sinha? What would you like to say?
Well, my message to all of you will be that nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent in this field, in this world. Just be positive, and this is the time to reinvent yourself. Try exploring the latent faculty on inside you, and just keep growing. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, ये मन में है विश्वास, और हम जरूर कामयाब होंगे. Till then, bye and namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much, Sadiq, for joining us today. And I think this is a very positive message for all the industry mates out there. And on behalf of Mice TV, thank you so much for joining us, and look forward to see you physically very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.